Who's the dumbest person you've ever met? I taught 9th grade for 5 years, and in my last year of teaching, I met Kevin. Some of my students struggled in my class, but none of them compare to Kevin. On the first day of class, Kevin ate an entire 12-pack of crayons, puked, and was brought to the hospital. Then, did it again the next day. Kevin would forget where our class was, and on numerous occasions, I had to go find him sitting in a completely different classroom. Kevin stole my phone one day, and when I called it, it rang in his bag. I walked over. Then he tried to deny it was actually ringing. Yup, he tried that 3 more times that year. I also noticed in his bag was a bottle of orange Kool-Aid, which he was convinced would turn to alcohol if he left it for long enough. He drank it after 4 months and was again brought to the hospital. After the first semester, Kevin finished with a 3% average. Then he tried to bribe me with $11. All of this made sense, however, after I met his parents. They never showed up to any meetings, and one day Kevin told me they took a trip to Mexico, but managed to forget all their luggage at home. I didn't believe him until his mom finally showed up. Turns out, every time she had forgot which school he went to, and always drove to other schools, none of which he ever attended.